Hello, this is Mr. Brocklehurst here. I'm here to set up a demonstration for today. We're going to start out by color coding our different jars here so that we can keep track of which ones have hot water and which ones have cold water. As you can see, I'm using blue for cold water and red for hot water. I'll be touching this with my hand, so I don't want it to be too cold or too hot. In fact, I'm not even using cold water. I'm just using the water that comes straight out of the tap. So I'm filling those up now, and I'm actually using half just tap water for the hot water, and the other half will be boiling water. That way it's not too hot and I don't end up burning my hands. I can still touch it, but it will be at a considerably higher temperature than the blue water, as you can see. So what I'm first going to try is I'm going to place the hot water on top of the cold water here. And I'm going to do this with by trying to spill as little of the water as possible. That's why you see the index card here. I'm going to double up here just so I have two index cards. And I'm going to place it on top. And then I'm going to try to, as sneakily as I can, pull out the index cards that is separating the two jars. And so there will be no barrier between the hot water and the cold water. And it's a little tricky to get the jars to line up so that nothing spills. And as you can see, some is spilling, but not too much. So here we are. We've got hot water on top and cold water on the bottom. And in real time, I haven't slowed it down or anything. In fact, I'm actually speeding it up while I fill up the other jars. And you can see that there is clearly still red on top and blue on the bottom of that. So here we are with our second demo. And we've got red on the bottom, or hot water on the bottom, and cold water is going to go on top. So I'm going to put the blue on top. And again, I'm going to try to do this by spilling as little as possible. This is taken in a single take, as you can see, with certain pieces just sped up so you can get through the transitions faster. But as I try this again, I'm going to take out that card. Ooh, much faster. As you can see, when I put cold on top, something very different takes place. Okay, let's put these side by side for a moment so that you can make a direct comparison. One had hot on top, cold on the bottom. The other one had cold on top, hot on the bottom. One has clearly had a different response than the other. Let's discuss.